everyone, welcome back to our 5-minute English booster. I am Bhavika. We know English communication is key, so today we'll master 5 powerful phrases that native speakers use every day. Get ready to sound more natural. Let's dive in. Phrase 1. I am tired of. I want to do something right now. It's much better than just saying I am busy. Example 1. Can you help me with this report? Sorry, I'm tied up with a meeting right now. Example 2. Let's catch up this weekend. Maybe next week. I am a bit tied up these days. Try repeating after me. I am tied up. Phrase 2. To catch up. To meet someone after a long time to exchange news and talk about what's been happening. Example 1. It's been ages. Let's catch up over coffee soon. Example 2. Did you manage to catch up on the missed classes? See, it has two great uses. Phrase 3. It's not a big deal. Used to say that something is not important or not a problem. It's perfect for casually dismissing a mistake or expressing humility. Example 1. Oops, I spilled some water. Don't worry, it's not a big deal. Example. Thank you so much for your help. Oh, it's not a big deal at all. Phrase 4. I am looking forward to. Many to be excited about something that is going to happen in the future. Meeting you. I'm looking forward to meeting you, not to meet. Example 2. She's looking forward to the weekend. This phrase shows enthusiasm. Phrase 5. Go ahead. This is a powerful way to give permission or encourage someone to start. Example 1. Can I start the presentation now? Yes, please go ahead. Example. When someone hesitates, don't wait, just go ahead and tell us. That's it for today. You have successfully added 5 amazing phrases to your vocabulary. Use them today. Quick recap. I'm tied up. To catch up, it's not a big deal. I am looking forward to. And go ahead. Don't just watch practice. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for your daily English dose. See you in the next video. Bye for now.